Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from windy Margate, Florida. And today, what do we have? We got the brand new Toyota Tacoma 2024, our very first one. And I've been looking forward to working on this truck, and I finally got one. And what did we do today? Well, let's find out. Come on this way. Let's see, take a look at how nice this truck is as we walk by here. It is a good looking truck, and we put a good looking cover on here. Now this is a hard cover by Tuxedo Sentry. Now the Sentry is all aluminum rolling hard cover with a marine grade vinyl. Now what does that mean? Well, the vinyl is set up to last in UV protected areas like Florida, anywhere it's a lot of sun. So you want something that is set up for the sun. I know a lot of times they sell these covers and they don't use a UV cover and they don't last as long. So as you can see, this is a low profile. This is going to sit in the bed here. So it's going to be nice and flat here. And of course, it matches the truck really good. So let's go ahead and take a look how it works. Now, if you look over here, there is a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. See it right here? So wherever you're standing, you can open the cover. Why is that good? Well, if you're going down the highway, you pull off to the side of the road, you got all the traffic on that side, the driver's side. You say, you know what? Maybe I want to be on the passenger side to open this. So again, if you look here, this is all aluminum inside here, and you got a very large seal here, and this is going to help keep the water out. Now, speaking of water, it's not a submarine. I know everyone seems to think these things are all waterproof. They're not. They're going to let a little bit of water in there, so keep that in mind. Use common sense. I know common sense is not for everybody, but it is something you should use occasionally. So now as you can see, what's nice about this one, it rolls all the way up here. It does not block the rear window. So you can see out here, even if the cover is open or closed, a lot of people like that a lot. Now, if you look over here, there's a little strap here. So, oops, this comes around here, and there's just a little loop here. This locks in here, and basically this keeps it from opening up. Now you can tighten it up, so just like that there. This way you don't have to worry about it open up while you're on the highway. You're doing 90 miles an hour. You don't have to worry about this coming undone, and it's pretty easy to undo. You just loosen this back up, slide this out here. Now, if you notice how this is attached, if you look inside here, it is using the cargo management system here. I do like that. The main reason I like that is now the weight is actually all attached in here, so it really does a good job at distributing the weight. I'm leaving the bloopers in, I always do. One take is all that we're gonna do here. So this is gonna hold up really well. This thing, you can't put stuff on here. It does have, I believe it's a 300-pound capacity on this. Also, it has a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Now, what's nice about us doing the installation for you, we're gonna double that warranty from 3 years to 6 years, that's right. That's a very good warranty, so you're covered for 6 years if we install it for you. Now, one thing you'll notice here, really easy open and close. Now, when you get to the end here, you do have to close the tailgate first because you want that little seal right there, and then push it down there. So that's one thing you need to know. The main reason they do it this way, it just keeps the water out better. So, and we always want to keep Mother Nature out of the back of the bed as best we can. Now, if you like this product, we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here to the store, let us put it on for you, let us double that warranty, and we even give you 1-year labor guarantee on all the work we have done for you. So you got kind of 3 warranties. You got your original 3 years, another 3 years, and then 1 year on the labor. So we got you covered. All in all, it's a great product. It looks good, great looking truck. And the nice thing, if you go on a trip, you put your luggage back here. You don't have to worry about someone getting there and taking your luggage. I know them. Soft covers, they look good and they keep the elements out, but they don't secure your personal belongings, which this will. So being aluminum, it's not very heavy, so you're not adding weight to it, because they are doing the new trucks. They want to add as little weight to as possible, and this cover is very lightweight. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Before I go, like and subscribe. Thank you.